going on, YouTube? So today I'm planning to go out and kind of explore a little bit. Oh, beat, no, no, beat. So today I'm going to be trying to explore a little bit of Vineland and show you guys pretty much what is around here. And I want to get a couple shots of like the cars because I have my buddy that's coming through and he has a pretty nice looking TC, and also my buddy with the 350Z should be coming in here, but he may flake out, he may not flake out. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll see what happens. And then after we get a couple shots, I'll just take you on the scenery and see what we're gonna see and just explore and have fun. So yeah, enjoy. You want to get your car and like kind of put it over there, and maybe we can try to get shots like towards
the
like
water?
Yeah, by the water.
All right. Like, let me not drive my car into the lake.
No, don't get your car into the lake. That's fine.
Try not to do that.
Okay.
Just like tell me if I'm getting too close to the water line.
All right, that's fine. Yeah, so we're gonna get some shots of like his car and stuff. I do like, so I'm not the biggest fan in like Scion, but like his car is nice and I do have a good appreciation for any car pretty much, as long as you, like my personal opinion is as long as you enjoy your car, and it really doesn't matter what it looks like. I mean, because everyone has different tastes and everyone likes different things. So that's pretty much like what I think about it, honestly. I really don't care.
Back road to get here.
Yeah, I know that, but still.
And dirt gets kicked
I
up.
know that, but still. You don't have to be like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna go. I guess I'm gonna start from like here. And I'm gonna get like a really close shot. So I'm gonna start from here and go from there.
Don't show the blemishes on my.
Oh my god, these guys have horses. Oh my gosh. They got 3 horses. Is that 3 horses? Yes. 4.
There's a 4th one behind the door.
Oh really?
See the hooves?
Oh, that's so cool. Awesome. I didn't even know you can do that. I didn't know you can. I didn't know. Okay.
On now?
No. Hi, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, the bugs. Let's go. So this is actually the spot that we normally go to like every single day. Literally every single day.
Yeah,
It's
honestly,
like,
yeah. This is pretty normal for us.
like this is like every single day. We're like, I can't stress it how much we're here all the time. That's pretty much what I'm trying to get at.
Spot. I'm literally still tasting sand.
You can literally see like from there. It's all over there. It's just endless thing. Let's go that way first. Can we hit up that thing first?
The Game Boy little thing out there?
Not the game. I mean, we can go to the Game Boy too.
Or the
bridge.
The bridge.
Let's go. Where's the Game Boy at?
Well, the Game Boy's literally up here to the right off this little trail right here.
Okay, so let's go to the Game Boy first, and then we'll go to the bridge. Oh, dude, look.
I actually never noticed.
I've never noticed that either. I'm just gonna hop through here. I didn't even know this was here.
Mago.
What's it say?
Mago. I don't know. M-A-G-O. Don't do me no favor. 16. All right, so you just got done taking pictures over there, and then literally we didn't even notice. Like for like 20 minutes we were just there. There's a little cool ass little hole right here that we've never noticed before after taking pictures.
Dude, that's pretty cool. I didn't even notice. Like, this is we're never here during the daytime.
We are never here during the daytime.
We're always here at night. Like, this is
so we never see any like the cool stuff like this because it's just dark.
Well, I mean, we always come here for the wrong reasons. But...
You are true about that. We do come here for the wrong reasons.
I'm trying to avoid the ass shots.
Dude, those are the best shots.
Yeah, but no, an ass crack shot is not a good shot.
It's funny for me to
Booty
look.
pics and ass shots are different.
Wait, where is? Oh, it's up there. I see it.
Oh, the Game Boy?
Yeah, the Game Boy.
Oh, cool.
That's what I was legitimately looking for. That's my marker to know where I'm at.
Dope. That thingy, whatever that is. Blocks.
I remember sitting up there talking about mountains.
The Game Boy.
Manatico Game Boy, dude.
I love it. Whoever did this is a genius.
It's actually really cool with the rebar sticking out the top.
Looks like an antenna or something.
does,
I don't know.
All right, let's boot this bitch up.
Play some Mario Kart.
Do you want to go to the bridge?
Yeah.
All right, it's that way.
All right.
So let's get back to the thing. Watch out, you get a little hop down. So this is our little bridge that we talk about when we're out here. Just gotta be very careful and not like step through the little
I
cracks.
actually can see where I'm going.
Right? When we come here at night, these little things are kind of hard to see. It all fades in. Oh, you want to sit on the edge? Yeah.
Bro, like for real, when I was ordering this shirt, I was online. I had my phone in my hand, and I'm hitting refresh. And as soon as it hit, I think it was like 10 a.m. PST. And then over here, it's
Like 12:1.
it's like 1 o'clock too. I think it was 1 o'clock.
It's 3 hours.
Yeah, so it's like 1 o'clock. So 1 p.m. is when it dropped here, like for us to like go do our thing. So I'm sitting there at lunch on break, and I'm like, refresh, refresh, refresh. As soon as it hit 1 o'clock, refresh again. It opened the thing. I hit the hoodie, I hit the hat, I hit the shirt, and I hit the blue shirt too. I went to go check out. Hoodie sold out instantly. Shirts were the shirt with the square logo. I think it was the square logo on that one too. Was sold out, but the round, the circle one was still good. So the minute that I saw it, the hoodie was no good. I tried getting the blue one. Blue one sold out. And they had a square logo for both of the hoodies too. Sold out again. I was like, God damn it. So then, as soon as I realized they were selling out that quick, I was like, fuck this shit. I'm just gonna, whatever's in my cart, I'm gonna buy. So I just bought it, and I came out with the shirt, the hat, and yeah, I got the shirt and the hat, and that's it. They gave me a free face mask. And then he brought the pre-order out, and I was just like, God damn it, I already paid for shipping. And I just like, fuck it, I'm just gonna buy it again too. Screw it. And I bought the
This way I get a free mask as well.
I hope. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if pre-orders gonna get free masks.
Oh, that's gonna be
I don't know, but either way, it's like it was kind of like a stressful moment where I was just like, oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey guys, so this is gonna be it for the video. This was pretty fun actually. I've never really been able to go out and, you know, adventure in Vineland and Millville. Really, this is actually technically Millville, but I've never been able to like adventure and go see around and actually really appreciate what's going on around here and see what like life has to offer. So it's just like, you just never know. I think it's the best thing in the world to be able just to come out here with some friends and have some fun. I wanted to say though, shout out to TJ Hunt for these awesome shirts. I love them. I love it, love it, love it. And the hat. I got the hat on too. It all came in the day, and at first I wasn't gonna wear it, but then I was like, yo, we should go out and get some car shots and go, you know, model a little bit. And you know, what better way than to rep the guy that made me want to do this. Yeah guys, like and subscribe. Let me know if anything that I'm doing with my builds or anything that you guys want to see. I really want to give you guys the best content possible, and I want to be able to see my channel grow because of you guys. So thank you again guys for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. I cannot stress enough, please like and subscribe. Greatly help this channel if you just like and subscribe. If you want to see some Bernies, just wait till the end and you will see some Bernies. All right guys, that's it. Peace out.